you're starting a business or creating an LLC for an acquisition, you want to make sure you set it up right the first time. And here are the 5 common mistakes to avoid when you're setting an LLC up. If you don't know me, my name is Augustino with Bulletproof Cash Flow. I help people get into the real estate game by either helping them do their own deals or investing alongside the deals that we're putting together. You can check out some of the downloads that we have on how to buy commercial real estate. Go ahead and click the link in the bio. You can check it out and download at your leisure. One more thing, go ahead and subscribe so we can stay connected and you can get alerted when we get new videos like this up. Okay, so let's get into the mistakes. Okay, number 1, thinking your business is too small for LLC. Many new entrepreneurs believe that their business is just too small or it's not profitable enough to justify setting up an LLC. However, having an LLC provides valuable liability protection for you and your assets. Even if your business is small or it operates at a loss, it could still be at risk for personal liability if something goes wrong in your business. Say, for example, you rent out a property and there is some injury or some damage created through no fault of your own. You could be sued personally, even if your business doesn't have the funds to cover the damages. Setting up an LLC can help protect your personal assets in such cases. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong state in which to set up your LLC. The state you choose to set up your LLC can have a significant tax and legal implication. Different states have different laws and regulations for LLC, and for some, they may be more favorable to you than others, especially to businesses as well. For example, some states have no personal income tax, which could be beneficial for your business. There's others that are extremely high for taxes, right? So it's important to do the research and compare the options before making a decision, or simply ask your attorney about what state is best to set it up. Number 3, assuming your LLC is a business license. An LLC is a business structure that protects you from liability, but it is not a business license. Depending on your business, you may also need to obtain additional licenses or permits to operate legally. Make sure you do the research and obtain any necessary licenses or permits for your specific business. They all vary, and again, get the permits that you need to operate properly so you don't get into any trouble. All right, mistake number 4, not keeping your LLC up to date. Once you have your LLC set up, it's important to maintain it by keeping your information current and following all the necessary reporting requirements. This includes filing the annual reports, maintaining accurate records, and keeping your registered agent information up to date. Now, failing to do so could result in your LLC losing its liability protection. So if you're operating the business, you're operating an LLC, you don't want that to happen. You don't want it to lapse. And mistake number 5, believing your LLC offers you unlimited protection. Now, while the LLC provides liability protection, it is not a guarantee against lawsuits. If someone successfully sues your LLC, they may be able to collect damages from the business assets, which is, a risk, of course. If the LLC doesn't have enough assets to cover the damages, the plaintiff can go after your personal assets. It can happen. It's important to have the proper insurance in place and seek legal counsel when you're putting these type of LLCs together to mitigate your risks and protect your assets. Now, when I buy a new business or a real estate deal, I get my attorney to set up the LLCs and handle all the requirements. It does cost more to do it, usually up to $1,000 each, depending on the complexity. But you really need that protection, right? And you want it in an LLC. And otherwise, why do it, right? Pay the extra money and get it done properly. By avoiding these mistakes, you can give your business the best chance of success. If there's another topic you want me to cover, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Be bulletproof, guys. I'll talk to you soon.